There was some speculation that the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial would be postponed. We had not yet known what the reasons for that would be, but a little bit later on, we got wind of the fact that the presiding judge in this matter, Tshifhiwa Maumela, is not feeling well. That was confirmed by the state prosecutor advocate George Baloy. And then there were some consultations with the deputy judge president Aubrey Ledwaba on what the way forward then would be if you have the presiding officer in this matter who is not well. Indeed, that has been confirmed by the deputy judge president that the Tshifhiwa Maumela, who is the presiding judge in this matter, is unwell, and we understand that he's not feeling too well. He's likely to be away for quite a long time. So the necessary arrangements had to try and be made to ensure that this trial does continue. I know that there'd been some discontent in some quarters about ensuring that this matter does go ahead. You would know that the Meyiwa family has been waiting for justice for a very long time now. So officially, the Deputy Judge President Aubrey Ledwaba saying this matter will sit for the entire third term. So we will be back in court then again on the 17th of July this year. This is when we will come back to court. What he did say, though, was that the necessary arrangements are being made to ensure that this trial does continue. What those arrangements will be, Aldrin and Naledi, we're not sure at this particular stage whether he will preside over the matter or someone else will be brought in to continue with this particular trial. However, the words that he used were that this trial will continue. We'll be back in court on the 17th of July, and this will be for the entire third quarter. Certainly something that the Meyiwa family, you would recall, Aldrin, since the last postponement, the family have been saying for many years they want to know exactly what happened to Senzo Meyiwa. And over the past 3 testimonies that we've seen inside the box, you would recall there was Tumelo Madlala, who was Senzo Meyiwa's very close friend, Mthokozisi Twala, who was also very close to Senzo Meyiwa, and we had Zandile Khumalo, who was the sister of Meyiwa's then girlfriend, Kelly Khumalo, who was next on the stand. She was scheduled to come back here today, but we understand that she did not come to court this morning because there had been communication that the presiding judge, Tshifhiwa Maumela, was not feeling well. But of course, for those who've been wanting justice, there have been constant delays in this particular matter. But let me speak to the Meyiwa family. Nomalanga Meyiwa joins me now. Sis Nomalanga, ngiyabonga kakhulu sis wami ngesikhathi sakho. Benithi nifika namhlanje la eGoli okanye ePitoli siswami nizohlala iveki yonke nje ukuthi nizozwa ukuthi kwenzakalani malungana necase kaSenzo. Nizizwa kanjani ingathi ngikubona emotional siswami? Aldrin, I'm sorry about that. Sorry, sis. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, sis. I think let's try and speak to one of maybe Babu Slang. I think come through. Sis Nomalanga will just leave you for now. Yes, thank you. We'll just bring in Babu Slang from Afriforum. Understandably so, incredibly emotional, Aldrin and Naledi. You could see from Nomalanga Meyiwa just the fact that they believe they've been calling for justice for so long. And again, there's been another delay in this matter. Unfortunately, she's understandably so walking away from the camera because she's incredibly emotional at this stage. They were hoping, and what we understood from Afriforum, who you would know has been supporting the family, is that they were coming to attend court proceedings for the entire week. Recall the last time we were inside this court, we were told that on this matter would proceed from the 12th until the 15th, which is Thursday. You would know, of course, Friday is June 16th. It is a holiday. And they've come through to Pretoria and they're told once again that this matter is not going ahead. Extremely emotional. This is the family that's been asking for justice for so long. And I don't know. I want to give her space at this stage and see maybe if we could bring AfriForum in instead of her, because you can certainly understand, Aldrin, that it's incredibly difficult for this family at this time. They were hoping that as they continue to... Siswam, do you feel okay to do this? If you don't, I would understand. Okay. Sis Nomalanga. I think this is the first time I've seen you cry so hard.
It's very hard, Griselda. As usual, it's very emotional, especially kuthina as a family. As you know, we are traveled each and every time. We've got mixed feelings about everything in the trial, and it's very painful, because even with the hope must be like this trial is without any postponements, and we are very ashamed of information is each and every time postponements. They always making assurance that there will never be any postponements, but still we will always walking around of which it's very painful kuthina, and sesihamba isikhathi eside lenxeba elivulekile singazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. And there's a lot of negative comments about this trial, and it looks like sisazoloku sizizwa lezinto, of which ayikho into esingayenza if kuthi abantu esithembele bona asithembele kubona ibona basiletha down until sesifikile now. And I still got lento yokuthi nakuleyo third trial, nakuleyo third term, it's not gonna angeke iziqhubeke ngoba kudala ziningi izinto ezama distractions kule trial, of which you don't know ukuthi kahle kahle kanti kakade kwenzakaleni yini lengakusenza iyenzile edala ukuthi angayitholi justice until kuze kuphela 10 years. Ngoba I believe ukuthi kunabantu abashona emva kaSenzo, but labo bantu ababethola ukuthi banamacala now they baboshiwe manje igwebo zabo ziyaqhubeka, but why yena yini lengakayenzile edala ukuthi angayitholi justice kuze kube lesikhathi. Okubuhlungu ukuthi uma uhleli manje ekhaya and asikazi simtshele ukuthi icala liyahlehla, uzozwa nje manje ngebhombu yokuthi icala liyahlehla. Angazi noma abantu abakule process elicala, do they even think ukuthi uSenzo nomama okuvuka inseka kuyena mangabe kunjalo kuzoba nama postponements, and today it's very hard even ukuthina ukuthi assethe yonke le ngoba sizwe manje kuseni, of which we believe ukuthi ujudge akagulanga namhlanje. Ujudge akagulanga izolo, bekufanele bayihlele yonke lento basitshele nathi ze family ukuthi ningawenza ama arrangements ningeze ngapha because ujudge akekho. Uyacabanga manje sesifikile la, we've planned everything, sekufanele kube ukuthi manje icala liyahlehla. We are very sad and it's very emotional.
Sis Nomalanga, I'm not going to ask you any further questions. Siswam, I can see that you are not all right as a result of what has taken place. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ubuye futhi uzokhuluma nathi. Thanks, Nomalanga Meyiwa. The Meyiwa family, incredibly emotional at this particular time. And, Nomalanga Meyiwa was saying she's very confused about what is taking place at this time, because it's quite clear that the presiding judge in this matter, Judge Tshifhiwa Maumela, it was not only announced this morning that he was ill, there was wind of the fact that he had been ill, and she says that there was no communication that was made to the family so that they could cancel their plans to come to Pretoria to attend this trial. If they had known, I beg your pardon, that this matter was going to be postponed, she would not have come to Pretoria with another member of the family. And she says that, they're very heart-sore at this stage. You also hear her say that she doesn't seem to feel any hope at this particular stage, that even in that third term, which is the 17th of July, where this matter will be back in court once again, she does not believe that it's going to continue. She says there's always distractions in this particular case, but not a very good day for the Meyiwa family, visibly heartbroken, and saying that they're yet to relay this news to the mother of Senzo Meyiwa, who of course we've understood for a long time now, she's not been feeling well and has not been taking these constant delays in the matter very well. But certainly seems on the part of the Deputy Judge President, Aubrey Ledwaba, that there would be a continuation in this matter. He says this matter will proceed. Alternative arrangements are being made. On the 17th of July, this matter will proceed. With who? That certainly remains to be seen.